What's up, everybody? It's your boy Sat coming to you with today's stock pick, indicator help, and general investment tips. Remember, this channel is all about no face, just facts in 5. I do the research so you don't have to. Shout out to 11 Labs for making every video possible with their next-gen voice cloning and text-to-speech tools. Link in the description and profile. Let's dive in. Today, a stock capturing the attention of the entire market, AST SpaceMobile, trading under the ticker symbol ASTS. This space-based cellular pioneer is making massive waves as it approaches the psychological milestone of $100. Looking at the immediate price action, the stock is showing intense volatility, trading right now at $96.91 after hitting a high of 97.08. This comes right after a wild intraday drop down to a floor of $86.92, where buyers immediately stepped in. The big question is whether this recovery is a sign of a historic breakout or if retail traders are walking into a trap. To understand why Wall Street is treating this like a gold rush, we must look at what AST SpaceMobile builds. In plain English, they are creating the first space-based cellular broadband network designed to connect directly to standard, unmodified smartphones. They are transforming satellites into giant space cell towers, erasing dead zones without requiring special hardware. The fundamental spark driving institutional accumulation right now is their commercial execution. With operational Bluebird satellites deploying into low Earth orbit and major commercial agreements locked down with global giants like AT&T and Verizon, the company is shifting from a speculative tech concept into a highly lucrative infrastructure network. Shifting over to the layout on the chart, the technical geometry reveals an aggressive battle between buyers and short sellers. After defending that deep support floor at $86.92, the price action staged a massive vertical recovery, clearing short-term moving averages. The price is currently forcing its way right against the upper bounds of its Bollinger Bands, showing that buyers are in complete control of the tape. This move is backed by true institutional weight, with heavy volume executing as the stock presses toward its overhead ceiling of $97.08, paving the way for a test of the century mark. Isolating our momentum tools gives us a clear look at the exact data story playing out today. The 14-day RSI is currently printing a hot reading of 66.73, which shows the stock is highly extended and rapidly approaching overbought territory. Meanwhile, the MACD tool has officially flashed a highly anticipated bullish signal. The short-term momentum lines have crossed to the upside, with the MACD line sitting at 0.62 above the signal line at 0.57. This has caused the MACD histogram bars to flip back into the green at 0.04, confirming that short-term buying speed is accelerating again. We must conduct an honest reality check because trading a space infrastructure stock at these heights carries serious risks. Building a global satellite constellation requires an astronomical amount of capital, and the company is still burning through millions of dollars while working toward commercialization. Regulatory hurdles, potential deployment delays, or launch failures could instantly crush investor sentiment. Furthermore, because the stock has experienced such a parabolic run, any broader market pullback could trigger severe profit-taking, leading to violent downswings. On the flip side, the hope and long-term bull case for ASTS are completely unmatched. This company possesses a true first-mover monopoly advantage in space-based communications, protecting it behind a massive technological moat. The global addressable market consists of billions of mobile subscribers, presenting an almost limitless revenue pipeline. Institutional backing from the world's largest telecom providers proves that the industry has chosen them as its partner. Once the network is active, the model transforms into a high-margin, recurring cash machine. From a strategic standpoint, my takeaway is that you must remain highly disciplined and avoid chasing this aggressive vertical move blindly. The technical data story shows powerful upward momentum, with the green MACD histogram, but the 66.73 RSI reading signals that buying at the top rail of the Bollinger Bands introduces elevated short-term risk. The smart play is to monitor the immediate resistance ceiling at 97.08. Wait for a daily close above that line to confirm the next leg higher, or look to scale in near the $87 floor. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. If you found value in today's video, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who's just beginning their investing journey. This is Sat with Stocks by Sat06. No face, just facts in 5. Keep learning, keep investing, keep building. Peace.